let's do a quick history check on that shadowy past.
We can support those elements of the Turkish leadership that still exist and get more from them and embolden them to be able to take on and defeat Erdogan, not by a coup, but by the electoral process.
İki kere altını çizerek darbeyle değil diyor, yani muhalefete destek vererek hükümeti, yani Cumhurbaşkanı Erdoğan'ı değiştirmek gerektiğini söylüyor. İki kere vurgulamasından ben şunu anlıyorum. Yani darbeyi geçmişte denedik, olmadı. Dolayısıyla şimdi taktik ve yöntem değiştirelim.
They were restoring democracy. And
by killing people on the roads?
They are engaged. They were engaged in trying to affect our election.
I got a guy named Sleepy Joe Biden. How do I beat him? How do I beat him? How do I beat this guy?
We don't mess around other people's elections, Jim?
Yum, yum, yum, yum.